Hello viewers, in last video we saw the data types and variables, and in this video I'm going to execute those codes. Now I have already made this program, and it's nothing new in this. You already know I've told you this is data type, this is variable, and there is I'm assigning some value to the variable and assigning this character into the character and printing printf the basic command I've told you. So I just wanted to tell you that why we need to give the data types different for the different figures. So let's start with it. So you can see here in integer data type I have given the a variable and I have given some value. It's such a large value. I mean, it's in billion or trillion to I don't know even how to read this. Maybe my maths is very poor. That's why. Okay. If you know, you can comment down below for me. And then this is the float value. I've told you that in float value we put the decimal numbers. So I in randomly gave this decimal number. In character value, I told you that you have to put some letter A or B, C, whatever you want to. Just remember only one letter, not you cannot put A, B together. That will be called as a string. What is string? We will have a discussion of this in next video. So let's execute this and run this and see what is the output. As I told you, as a print command works, it takes the percentage d, means it is the specifier for the integer. Take the integer value from where? From the a variable, which is I have denoted over here. It's taking that a value, a variable, and printing exactly, you can see 21474 or whatever it is, very large figure. And in B I have told this is float and float, that's why exactly same. And in character is printing the same character over here. But now I want to tell you something, that I chose this bigger number because there is a reason behind this. Let's add, it's 47, I want to make it 48. I did it 48, and let's see what happens if I do that. Compiling and run. Here see, you can see that I've given a positive number and here it is showing in negative. Maybe it's an error or what, I don't know. Maybe I do have answer for this, and the answer for this is right here in this notepad. You can see in earlier video, in previous video I've told you that every data type have its range. So in choosing that much big figure, it's there was a reason for that. I wanted to tell you that it has the range till this number only. After this number, if you add one more number to this figure, it will get back to its initial one, from where it starts. So it starts from the minus to the plus 21 trillion billion, whatever it is. So that's why it's showing like this. So this is for, that's why we needed to uh, learn about data types. So if it doesn't matter because it's very such a large number, we never deal with such a large number in embedded C. So if you can remember this, good. If you don't, doesn't matter. But you should know about this. That's why I'm telling. And another thing I want to tell you, that why we need such different things. I mean, I can put this 13.5 in integer also. So let's do it. Now I'm making change. I'm putting the integer value in the float with the correct one, because earlier 47, and float value into the integer. Let's see what's next, our output. And Suppose in character I am putting some integer like 72, any random number. Let's see what gives the answer. What we have our console window. Okay, it got executed. In float, in character integer, we can see only the D13. Where is the 0.5, dude? Okay, so 0.5 is not there. I've given it to 47 and it's showing me 48. Okay, and in 72 it's only showing me the 2. Where is the 7, bro? So you can see that's why we need to know about these data types. So put the proper value as I've told in the previous video, so you will get the correct answer. So that's all for the today, and the next thing you will see in this program that I've given some backslash and written the small n over there, and still you can see if I will execute the program it will not be showing over there. Okay man, so you will say after you, if you remember, I've told you whatever you write in this double quote it will exactly print on the console screen, but it's not doing that. Why is it so? We will discuss about this in our next video. Till then, goodbye, and like our video, and any queries there please comment down and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.